Welcome back, students. So we will see comments again. So what is meant by comment? As the program gets bigger, so when the program size is increasing, it is very big. It is very difficult to read it, okay, and understand it to make out what it is doing by just looking at it. Okay, so if you are looking at that program, you cannot understand anything. So it is good to add notes to the code while writing it. So when we are writing it, we can write notes to the code and see, these are known as comment lines. Okay, comments. Okay, so these notes only are called as comments. In Python, comments are always starts with the hash symbol. Anything written after the hash in a line is ignored by the interpreter. So Python interpreter will ignore this comment when it is appearing after the hash symbol. That is, it will not have any effect on the program. So a comment can appear on a line by itself, or they can also be at the end of the line. So in the same line itself, a comment can be appearing, or it can be added at the end of the line. Okay, so look at here. Here the comment is added. Comment line is added at the beginning of the code. So calculating the area of a square. So area is equal to side by 2. So two sides are going to be multiplied. That side value is multiplied by 2 in order to get the area of the square. Or we can write area is equal to side power 2. Here also, see, at the beginning also we can give, or at the end also we can give, or in the same line also we can give the comment line, okay, with the help of this hash symbol. So for adding multi-line comment, so when you go for this is known as single line comment. So when you go for multi-line comments, multiple lines, okay, more than one line comment, if you want to give in a program, we can place hash in front of each line. So every line in front you need to place the hash. Okay, if you want to use multi-line comment, or you can use what, triple quotes also, quoted string also, like this you can give it. Okay, so they will only work as a comment when they are not being used as a doc string. Okay, when it is not going to be used as a doc string, they will only work as a comment only. Okay, the comment line, that is hash calculating area of circle rectangle, can also be written in the following way using triple quotes. So using triple quote, we can write like this also, and we can write in the first format also. So second format and first format both will be worked out in the Python script mode. Okay, so why we should use as many useful comments as we can to explain. So for what purpose we need to use these comments? Okay, useful comments, why we need to use? To explain any assumptions made. Any assumptions if you have made in the program, that you can explain with the help of the comment. And you can give important details. You can explain important details or decisions made in the program. Whatever decisions you have made in the program or details if you want to give, you can explain with the help of the comments. This will make the program more readable. So we already know the importance of the comments in the, that is documented part of the program. No documentation we didn't study. So in the documentation also they have given maximum importance of comments and all they have explained. We will see in the next class, that is a theory chapter, that we will see in the next class. Okay, so comments, about comments they have given lot of importance about the comments they have given in the unit 2. Okay, that is programming methodology. In that unit, no, second chapter they have given this, okay, about the comments. Next we will see exercises. All these exercises, after you download Python 2.7 or 3.7 version, if you download in your system, you just try it, all these exercises. Okay, so now you can write you can find the answer for all these exercise questions. Okay, so first question, create following variables. That means you need to create the variable for the following. That means my string is a variable to contain hello. So just I'll say only one question's answer alone. The remaining two you just try it on your own. So my string is a variable name equal to, within double quotes or single quotes you just write hello. Okay, just I'll show it here. My string. So what they have given in the first question, create the following variables. Create the following variables. That means building a variable. We are not declaring it, we are building the variable. Okay, that term only we have studied now here. So my string is a variable name equal to, it should contain the value hello. Okay, see, now we have created my string. Just if I type my string now, it will display the answer hello. Okay, so my string variable created. So this statement only is used for creating a variable. So my string is equal to within single quotes hello. So this is the first questions, first exercise, first Roman's answer. Next one, write the value justification. Value justification, that is 2 star. How we can evaluate this expression? What is the answer you will get for this? So 2 multiplication 3 plus 4. How we can evaluate that? I'll show it in word. Okay, 2 star 3 plus 4 only. No, let us take that example. 2 star 3 plus 4 within parenthesis. Okay, so how we can type this? How we can evaluate this? See, first we need to get the answer, write the answer like this. 2 star 3 plus 4, no? 2 star 3 plus 4 need to be evaluated first. So 3 plus 4 will give you the answer, what? 7. Okay, 3 plus 4 is 7. So parentheses need to be evaluated first. Next, you need to write like this. Even when you are writing, when you are solving, try to solve the problem, no? So write like this. So 2 into 7, answer will be 14. Let us check with the calculator also. Okay, whatever you have tried, you just check it with the calc also. So whether this answer is correct or not, we will check it. Okay, so 2 into 3 plus 4. So we need to follow the precedence of operators concept. Okay, so 2 within multiplication symbol, within bracket, we need to give 3 plus 4, close the bracket. Okay, so similar like we have typed, here in this calculator also, just give equal to. So the answer is 14. So its answer is correct. So in the same way, you just try for another two also. Write the value justification. Then what is the type of the following result? What is the type of the following result? So following results, the data type will be float only, because which is the higher data type, that is going to be considered. We will see the answer in this interactive mode. Okay, so 1 plus 6.0. 6.0 is which type? Floating point type. Okay, and now fourth one, which of the following is the valid variable name? Valid. So you have studied some of the rules related to variables. No, you just revise those concepts and you find out the answer for this. Okay, which of the following is the valid variable name? This is keyword. So I'll just say keywords alone. This is keyword. So remaining and all, whether variables or not, you only need to find out by going through the rules for naming a variable topic. Okay, go through it and find out. I won't say. Next, true or false. True or false also, you just try it on your own. Okay, true or false also, you just try it. I will send you the answer afterwards. Check all syntactically correct statements, whether it is correct according to the syntax or not. This also, you just go through the topics or topics in a PDF or in a video, just listen and then find out the answer. So here also, which print statement are correct? That means even more than one print statement may be also correct. You just check it and write whichever statements are correct. You just write it. Okay. And which are the correct arithmetical operations are also, you just try it out and write the answer. Okay. Correct arithmetical operations. Which and all correct, you just take it and write it. Why it is correct also, you need to write the explanation. Okay, even here also, why it is correct, why I have chosen those statements, that reason also you just write near to the statement. Okay, which are correct type conversions? Correct type conversions, topics, you just see it. Explicit type conversions, which and all correct type conversions, you just take it and write it out. Okay, and which operations in the following no will give you the result 8? It should give 8 only, it should not give 8.0. Okay, that floating point, it should not give. So which channel giving 8 as the answer, you just check it and take and write, solve it and show the answer which is giving 8 in the following 4 questions. Okay, everything you just solve it, whatever you are solving it, just show it in your note. Okay, write it in your note. And if you write only, then in future you can refer and you can study easily. Okay, and which lines are commented, which are known as commented lines, comments? Why? You just write the reason also. And then find the matching pairs of expressions and values. See here, expressions and values, just match it, match the following. And seventh one, eighth one also, multiple choice questions, you just finish it off. And then when this following statement when it is going to be executed in the Python no interpreter no result into error. When will following statement in interpreter result into error? For this also answer is available in your PDF book itself. Okay, I have explained in one paragraph. Okay, whenever we use the variables topic, you just go through it and find out the reason when it will give the error. Okay, when this when the following statement in interpreter now result into error, why it is resulting into error, when it will result into error, that means when it will give the result as error, under which case you need to write the explanation here, when it will give the result as error. Okay, how can we change the value of, next question, ninth one, how can we change the value of 6 star 1 minus 2 to minus 6 from 4? Okay, how can we change the value of 6 multiplication 1 minus 2 to minus 6 from 4? So when it will give minus 4 instead of 4. Okay, and then is Python case sensitive or not? Yes or no, you need to say. Okay, and only 10 questions you complete here, only up to 10. There is 124 page and 123 page, 122 page alone you complete for this week exercise. You just take 1 week time. So next week class I will ask all these questions up to 1 to 10. So many exercises you will get from Python programming, because Python is like a ocean. Any logic, any content, any problem they may give, you need to able to write the program on your own with the help of Python. Okay, so try to understand all the basic concepts clearly. Even if we have some other materials also, you can go through related to Python, and unit 2 and unit 3 and all in this Python I will take in the next class. So just case sensitive, up to this you just complete your exercise questions. Thank you students, all the best.